I noticed about this is that it did not come with a welcome back to my channel. So I am excited because I finally got my light that I have been wanting forever. I really wasn't sure which one to get, but I knew I wanted to get one that suited my needs. So if you don't already know, I typically film with 3 to 4 soft boxes. So I do the 3-point setup. I have one on each side, one in the center, and then sometimes I'll shoot one like over, I'll have one like over my head, so I have lighting coming downward too. So 3 to 4. So I knew I didn't really want to get a big ring light because I have the soft boxes, and I was just like, I don't know. But I did notice that sometimes when I film, a lot of the times I'm filming right here and everything is just like right on the table, and sometimes I'm just like, man, it would be really nice if I had just like a table light that I could just have hitting me like directly like right here. So that's what I ended up ordering. It is from Neewer, and I mean, it's like, I don't know who this is, but it's like they've taken over. Like I remember when like the ring lights like first came out like 6 years ago, Diva ring was like the thing, and when I was like looking for Diva ring, I couldn't find it anywhere. So yeah, it's like these guys have taken over, but it is here. You can activate your product warranty at neewer.com. So I will make sure I do that. But I'm excited because this is literally exactly what I have been looking for. When you take it out the box, this is what it looks like. So this is the model. I don't know what the heck any of this means, but there's like some stuff on the back that I have no idea what it's talking about, but this is what it says. This is what it looks like when you open it. It has your little instruction manual. It's like a little thank you card from, who is this from? It's a little thank you card from the customer service director. So inside you have the little ring. I believe this is 10 inches, this light. Perfect for what I'm trying to do. You also have, it looks like this is the base and the stand for the table. Perfect. And I'm the type of person, I don't like to read instructions really. I just like to start figuring stuff out myself. That is what I am going to do today. All right, so I'm guessing this is where you screw in the light, and boom, it looks like this. And this is cool because you can like bend it if you want, so you can bend the light to be any kind of way. But of course, when I'm filming mine, it's more than likely just going to be straight. So and keep it like that. It comes with a little charging cord, and you also have the 2 mounts too. This one is for the phone, like if you're going to be filming with your cell phone. So this is great if you are new to YouTube and you don't have a camera quite yet and you're going to be filming with your phone. This is absolutely perfect. I don't see why you wouldn't order this light. And then this one, this is the one for like if you want to mount your camera. So this is the one that I'm going to be using. Can't really see it, but that's what I'm gonna be using. So that's it. I guess it's just time to try this light out, see how bright it really is, and kind of go from there. So right now, all I'm using is my little Pixie ring light. This is like the little mini one. This is for the phone, and this is what I use sometimes on my channel. And I was just like, it's just not enough. This little thing, it's good, but it dies way too fast because it's so little. So I needed something bigger for sure. So I'm happy I ordered this one. So let's try this out. All right, you guys, so I got it all plugged up. All right, so what I noticed about this is that it did not come with a block, like a charging block. It came with the cord, but it did not come with the block. So they were stingy on the block. You might want to go get a block, but everything else is cool. Like, I can't even complain. This was $35, so I definitely can't complain. So I just thought I would mention that. But wow, look at this. And then another cool thing too is that there's these little dials on the back to adjust like temperature. So right now it's on low, this is high, and then this is warm, this is cool, and then this is kind of just like a healthy balance in between. So this is cool, this is warm, and this is low. This is bright. This is really cool. But yes, this was only $35 off of Amazon. So I am going to leave the information down below in the description box, because you guys always ask me about my lighting, what I film with, like what I edit with. So I am happy to share this little lighting I got. You cannot beat this for $35. It's, like I said, especially if you are just starting out, this is the best thing that you could even spend $35 on. Like, no, like, don't go buy an outfit, don't do any of that. Buy this light, invest in your channel, and get started. And even if you aren't a beginner, this is still a really great investment, because someone like me who has tons of equipment already, this is a great addition to the family. This is great. So I'm actually about to film with this, okay, because I have to get ready. I'm running late. I have to get ready to go to a brunch. I am responsible for bringing the alcohol to the brunch. So yeah, we're having like a little brunch at my cousin's house for my other cousin's birthday, and it literally starts in an hour. Luckily my cousin only lives like 10 minutes away, so I can hurry up and do like a quick beat, get Shia ready, and we can bail. But yeah, but I want to film with this and just this, so you guys can see how legit this really is. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is probably gonna be a quick little get ready with me beat, okay, because I'm already dressed. Okay, my hair, it is what it is. This is what's going on with this hair today. So we are just, you know, I just feel like this light is making me look so angelic. I just love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, the link will be down in the description box below for this light information, and go ahead and get you one. Go ahead and get you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.